Welcome back to Micki Quiz. Ready for a tasty challenge? Guess the fast food from 2 emojis. Think you can get them all? Let's find out. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fun quizzes. Let's go. A burger bun and steak? That sounds like a classic meal. It's a burger. A pizza with fire? Now that's extra spicy. Spicy pizza. French fries and salt? A perfect match for a crispy snack. Salty fries. A hot dog and cheese? That's a delicious combo. Cheese hot dog. Chicken and honey? That's a sweet and savory delight. It's honey glazed chicken. Bread and banana? A simple yet tasty treat. Banana sandwich. Taco with avocado? A fresh and creamy combination. Avocado taco. Chocolate and cookies? A chocolate lover's dream. It's choco chip cookie. A drink with strawberries? That must be a refreshing treat. It's strawberry milkshake. Bread with bacon, a crunchy and savory bite. Bacon sandwich. An apple in a pie, a dessert classic. It's apple pie. Cucumber and a sandwich? That's a fresh and crisp snack. Cucumber sandwich. Avocado on toast? A trendy and healthy breakfast. It's avocado toast. Potato and soup? A warm and comforting meal. Potato soup. Chicken with garlic? That's a bold and flavorful dish. Garlic chicken. Shrimp and noodles. A seafood lover's favorite. It's shrimp noodles. Rice with chopsticks? A simple but essential dish. It's sushi rice. Steak and bread? A meaty and filling bite. Steak sandwich. Crab with bread. A crispy and delicious seafood treat. It's crab cake. Sweet potato and pie. A tasty holiday dessert. Sweet potato pie. Bread with honey, a golden and sweet delight. Honey bread. Peanut butter on toast, a childhood favorite spread. Peanut butter toast. Egg and ramen, a rich and comforting dish. Egg ramen. Duck and soup, a special dish with bold flavors. It's duck soup. Octopus in curry? That's a unique and exotic dish. It's octopus curry. Fish and curry, a favorite for seafood lovers. Fish curry. Strawberries and cake, a soft and fruity dessert. Strawberry shortcake. Potato and cheese, that's a cheesy and comforting side dish. Potatoes. Shrimp in salad, a fresh and tasty seafood dish. Shrimp salad. Oysters with lemon, a seafood delicacy with a citrus twist. Oysters with lemon. Venison in a burger, a gourmet twist on a fast food classic. Burger. Steak with pickles, a meaty dish with a tangy crunch. Pickles. Rice and sushi, a sushi staple. Sushi roll. Peach in a smoothie, a fruity and creamy delight. Smoothie. Chicken and ramen, a classic and satisfying noodle dish. Chicken ramen. Steak with garlic, a strong and flavorful bite. Garlic steak. Sweet potato with rice, a nutritious and hearty meal. It's sweet potato rice. Lobster with pasta, a luxurious and creamy dish. It's lobster pasta. Cherries and cheesecake, a sweet and tart dessert. Cherry cheesecake. Bread with cheese, a golden and crispy sandwich. Cheese. A crispy baguette and tender beef? That sounds like a hearty meal. Beef baguette. Creamy avocado and fresh sushi. A match made in heaven. Avocado sushi. Potatoes and bread? That's a double carb delight. Tomato bread. Coconut with curry? That's a tropical twist on a classic dish. Coconut curry. Crab in a warm, comforting bowl. That must be a seafood lover's dream. It's crab soup. Fish and bread. Sounds like a tasty sandwich combo. Fish sandwich. Beef mixed with rice. That's a delicious and filling dish. Beef fried rice. Peanuts in a soup? That's a unique and nutty surprise. It's peanut soup. Snails with bread? That's a fancy delicacy. Garlic snails escargot. Duck served over rice? That sounds like a rich and flavorful meal. Duck rice. Wow, what an awesome challenge. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and challenge your friends to beat it. If you had fun, hit that like button, subscribe to Micki Quiz, and turn on the bell for more exciting quizzes. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next quiz.